Welcome back again. So we are looking at the third hypothesis now. Okay, leadership style versus firm performance. All right. So like I did the other time with the previous two, we are going to do the same. All right. Just change the parameter here to leadership style instead of motivation and training and development. So we retain our firm performance here. Find the correlation between two of them using Pearson correlation. So we see print out our correlation coefficient in 3 significant figure, while our p-value is printed in 4 significant figure. So we ask the same question: if p-value is less than 0.05, then print result reject H naught and the significant relationship exists. Else, we fail to reject H naught. No significant relationship exists. All right, so we plot our scatter plot as usual. All right, and get our result. So this is just a simple straight line here. All right, this is all we have here for plotting. We are just title, label, and so on. So we show the plot. So we just so we pass our S here, our Y here, and our data is there. So we want to make it a alpha 0.5 and printing and make it color line. All right, so we want to have a line color there, which means a relationship line. So now we have our result here. Our result is showing here. So correlation PS correlation is 0.699, which is approximately 7 now. Our p-value is 0.00, which is significant relationship exists between them. So we are having that our leadership style versus performance is significant. All right. So that's what we are saying here. You can see from the plot here, leadership exists between two of them. Okay, I'm thinking leadership is a little bit higher. I think it's higher than the previous one. So which means that the leadership has more role than two previous parameters. Okay, so this is what we have for now, and I think we are moving on to we'll be moving on to the fourth one in the next class. So thanks so much for listening. I will not waste your time on this. So we already understood what this one can be printed. Okay, you can just right click on it and save as. Okay, the plot in your folder, it will sit in the folder, and you can just put in your manuscript or this. So you can see from the interpretation here that this is a strongest relationship so far. Okay, found so far. Okay, correlation is 0.699, strongest positive relationship among all factors. We have 3 factors so far, and this is the strongest among them. The significant relationship exists with P is up to 0.001 is highly reliable finding. Practical meaning means effective leadership has the strongest impact on the firm performance. All right. In simple terms, we are saying that a good leadership equal to much better company performance. This is the most powerful driver of performance among all HR practices studied so far. So this is just a conclusion. This is you can improve on that simple illustration. So that is that for today. So I will see us in the next class when we'll be looking at the final fourth one. Okay, then before we do the general conclusion. All right, so thank you so much for listening. I will see you in the next class. Goodbye for now.